Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 58. To this question, the instructions say choose from the options lettered A to A, the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. So this instruction is to answer question from 41 to 70. And 58 says he left the house early dash returned late. He left the house early dash returned late. A bet, B so, C still, D therefore, E thus. Now bet is used in construct of a of a pre of a previous idea. So but cannot function in this statement. Then so, therefore, and thus means the same. Mean the same. Except still. So we can now say that he left the house early, still returned late. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.